welcome back to my video. This is in this video they will show this Amazon.com website is and sell products on Amazon and sell on Amazon business. These two options. I'm interested in this Amazon, and then please keep continuing to watch this video and place it viewing. Right now I hear this Amazon.com website and personally sell products on Amazon. This option for so many people in not this now. Is if interesting this option, this Amazon selling for product and start selling with Amazon. This fastest growing and preferred subscription channel for half or most channel sellers. For example, this one and sign up is $9.99. For example, this start today for person back and up to 1 million is branded sales. Or now this, as you can see, this for example, this actually really present and kind of surprised and quickly frankly at how much Amazon has helped its build the brand not just on Amazon but outside of Amazon. This Matt McCauley, 74% of Amazon customers use Amazon to discover new products or brands, and 500 key brands in your brand and registering unlocking our powerful tools. So this our 50k in potential benefits. This option really to sell and launch your brand today really powerful. Playback for new sellers and our 50k in potential benefits. Get 5% back in your 1 million in branded sales. To try FBA with the inbound shipping and storage, removal and returns. Get $50 credit for sponsored products, CPC as bid up to get ahead and start on rate protection and product reviews and more. So, and this your brand plus Amazon in business at scale and Amazon customers by roughly and 7,400 products per minute from users. Sellers will grow and scale your brand with an innovative toolkit, world-class logistics, a proven and customer experience, rich data insight, and cutting-edge advertising solution. This is a push forward to profitability. New Republic is launched in Amazon and had expectations that Amazon would be about 10% to 20% of our total business within the first 6 months. It was 50%. It just exploded and really changed the way it thought that the future of our business. And this sorted utility will ship it in contact with as on Amazon. Perfect launch in five steps for your first 90 days. Your brand experience and is connect your business to 1 million of customers. Control the experience from discovery to your dedicated storefront and 100 pages for their inboxes. Amazon customers helping a brand spend more than double that and non-followers communicate your core values, build your relationship in generate your brand experience. So this your dedicated storefront and optimize your brand content, inform your strategy, and now this probably just register your brand and getting help in hand and scale with Amazon devices. This score this and then other and for the enable and so this for example this in the fulfillment in Amazon in month and monthly it's now and it's great in testing global selling. This and second an option in for example this Amazon sell on Amazon business. For example, this option for an Amazon.com website is sell on Amazon business. For example, this selling program and now it is reaching millions of business customers. This selling on Amazon will be enabled to reach B2B and customers with the pricing selection and convention of Amazon with featured benefits decision to business all sizes. This is why selling Amazon businesses and to small business and distributed larger organizations are now targeting to reach business customers on Amazon. This controlled pricing and fulfillment and improvement your business. Manage your store in 1B, 25B, and 1 and 2 tier. Understand selling an Amazon business with the register on selling Amazon register and professional selling account. Amazon.com for exciting seller. You can Amazon manage filters and easier through Seller Central. The second step is create a business profile to your unique story using profile detail. You can add your quality certification and certify this credential for describing business customers. And step number 3 is step of your products user simple listing tools and the entire catalog enhanced content feature to display additional product information to your customers and start selling. Rituals of business customers already shipping on Amazon. This pricing, quantity discount, visual dashboard, and profile editor, and enhanced product content, and accept requests for the cutest and profile display quality, size, certification editor. This option for this one is Amazon business for this one. There's a registered in a holiday reseller and Amazon program. This still can in Amazon's rights overall and question and answer this is all for now. I hope this interesting video for you. If you like this video, please put like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching your time. See you soon next time. Best video. Bye bye.